Hi dear, welcome back. Now I'll show you how to create high quality professional audio using 11labs.io, an AI powered tool that makes voiceover quick and easy. It's a paid tool, but you can use it for free as a limited version. Whether you are working on a video project, podcast, and presentation, 11 Labs has you covered. So let's get started. Before going into the main account, so you can check their pricing plan over here. You see, for the monthly, you have to spend around $11 for 1000 credit. So just try for free. In the free version, you can make 10 minutes video. So here, I'll change the voice. We have a different option over here. Let's say we'll select. I'm looking for American voice, so Brian is fine. Now I'll put this text over here, but I'll skip the example because this was the prompt. I don't want a voice version of this. Now generate it. Okay, just download it. Does the voice match the tone you imagined? Are there any mispronunciation or passing issues? If needed, tweak your script or setting and regenerate this audio. So that's it, guys. So in the next video, we'll edit in a CapCut. So see you there. Thank you, guys.